Are you looking for ways to extend the lifespan of your restaurant's equipment and save costs in the process? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring the concept of preventive maintenance, an effective strategy that helps you keep your assets in top shape while saving you an estimated 12 to 18% in costs compared to relying solely on reactive maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep, and we're committed to providing you with the tools and resources you need to make your maintenance and reliability teams more successful. Want to prolong the lifespan of your restaurant's equipment? Your best bet is to have a comprehensive preventive maintenance program. Initial equipment costs make up a significant part of the expenses to start up a restaurant. And with such a sizable investment, it's crucial to ensure that your equipment works well for the longest time possible. But what exactly is preventive maintenance? It's a strategy that describes proactive maintenance. The goal of an effective preventive maintenance program is to service equipment even before a failure occurs. This includes activities like inspections, calibration, lubrication, and cleaning. By employing a preventive maintenance program, not only can you increase the life cycle of your assets, but you can also generate an estimated 12 to 18% cost savings compared to just relying on reactive maintenance. You might be wondering, how can you apply preventive maintenance to restaurant equipment? The concept of a preventive maintenance program can be tweaked to suit restaurant equipment. Let's divide your restaurant equipment into two categories: cooking equipment and refrigeration equipment. These two types usually require varied preventive maintenance solutions due to differences in their main components. Let's talk about cooking equipment first. This category includes stoves, ranges, and combi ovens. For these types of equipment, preventive maintenance activities would typically include general inspections for any cracks or dents. Components that are subjected to high temperatures or stresses are prone to these minor damages, so it's important to perform routine checks. Other activities include checking for any unusual mineral buildup or corrosion and replacing any consumable components that need to be changed out, such as filters and filter elements. Next up, we have refrigeration equipment. These units have condenser coils that are prone to dirt or grease accumulation. Excessive buildup on these coils can overwork the compressor and potentially cause serious breakdowns. Preventive maintenance activities for refrigeration equipment focus on these components, ensuring that they are clean and unobstructed. It's also crucial to regularly sanitize refrigeration units with direct contact to the food supply to inhibit the growth of harmful organisms and bacteria that could cause health concerns. While we can generalize the types of equipment in a restaurant, tracking each individual unit can be extremely challenging manually. A preventive maintenance program only works if the maintenance activities are performed on a proactive routine basis. That's where a computerized maintenance management software, or CMMS, comes in. It ensures that maintenance needs are always up to date. Some CMMS providers even have maintenance software systems that are specially designed to cater to restaurant businesses. These systems have the capability to schedule recurring work orders for the upkeep of restaurant equipment and facilities. They come in handy for general equipment maintenance, as well as for compliance with security and food safety inspections. So if you want to keep your restaurant's equipment in top shape, it's time to consider a preventive maintenance program. And that wraps up our video on preventive maintenance for restaurant equipment. We've covered the importance of preventive maintenance, how it can be applied to different types of restaurant equipment, and how a CMMS can make the process more efficient. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. For more information about Upkeep and our services, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you keep your restaurant equipment in top shape.